Hey guys, it's your girl Nurse Feet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the video, it's going to be another hair video on this hair that I'm wearing right now. So I'm not even gonna talk too much, so let's jump right into it.
Inside your box you will find your they gave you wig caps. You'll find the hair, which comes in a satin pouch, so when you're done using it you can put your hair, and that actually preserves the hair, which I actually like and I appreciate that. And you get like a little note that also came with the packaging. Here, if you look inside the wig, you will find 4 combs around the perimeter. You also have the elastic band that's already sewn in, but you also have in the bottom the adjustable elastic if you want your wig to be even more secure. For me personally, I did have to go and tone down the hair color because it was a little bright. So I did use my purple shampoo. As you can see in this clip, I'm just washing the hair, just to try to tone down the color, just to tone it down. Because no one has yellow hair. Wash the hair. As you can see in this clip, I'm just like blow drying it. Even though the hair did come pre-plucked, I did pluck it a little just because I felt like, it was a little dense at the hairline, and I just want to get that more like, natural look. So I did go in myself and plucked a little. I didn't go too pluck happy because, I'm not a professional, but I did pluck a little more. On this hair, this is an Amazon Prime purchase. Yes, I got this hair from Amazon. It's an affordable hair. The hair company is called Nikiss hair. This particular hair is a free part. It's 150 dents. It's a 1B 613 Ombre Blonde. It's a straight bob, 10 inches. It is a 13 by 4 lace frontal. It does come pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck myself just because I felt like the hairline was a little dense. Right now I am just curling the hair. I use my wand to curl the hair because I was like, I did not want to just do a typical straight, flat ironing straight. I really wanted it to be like wand curl. I had a vision like just curly, but I didn't really know how curly. So but I did do kind of like a freestyle part. I didn't really do a defined part, as you will see in the end of the video.
It's nice. So as you guys can see, this is almost the final product. This is the final product. Hopefully the video is okay. So this is the final product. I didn't really like part it. I just connected like a free part to the side, as you can see. And wow, like the curls came out amazing. I did not think the curls were gonna be this good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I really didn't. I knew they were gonna come out good, but I didn't think they were gonna come out this good. Like, the curls look, wow. Oh my goodness, like, literally. So my overall opinion about the hair would be, as you can see in the previous clips, when the hair just came out, it was just like, no, it wasn't bad, but it was just yellow. So I did use the purple shampoo, and I did tone down the hair color. I feel like I toned it down a little too much in some areas, but it's fine. This is my first time even wearing a blonde wig, and you know, at first I was kind of iffy. I was like, ugh, but I think it came out really good. Just like, look at the curls, like the way, look at the curls. So the hair takes a curl, a good curl, and mind you, I had the curls in. I wand curled it like around 11 a.m. I took a shower and everything, and I literally just right now took the curls out and, like, you know, played with them, and they look, it looks amazing. I would recommend this hair. I would give this hair a 5 out of 5. And was there shedding? Yes, there was a little shedding, especially, you know, this is blonde hair, you know, it's processed, so you will get shedding. But when I was washing the hair, there was very little shedding while I washed it, but I realized when I was blow drying, hair was coming out, so I did see shedding. The lace was really good. Like, I did not even like tint it. I just have like, I didn't even do, this is the glueless method. I use my Gots to Be glue. This is it. I just used this hairspray and it's melted on. So the lace is amazing. It's really good quality. I think with this hair company, you are getting basically the most for your bucks. It is an Amazon hair company, as you can see. It's 150 density. Blonde is on the bottom. But overall, this hair, like, I'm shook. I am literally shook at how good this hair came out. Like who this? Like who this? Like who this? Until next time, it's your girl Nurse Abby. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also all the information regarding this hair will be down in the description box. Literally, go to their website. Even if you don't want this type of hair, they have like variety. They have wavy, they have straight, they have kinky, then they have this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give this a video a thumbs up. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.